Hello,
Hello everyone.
we just reached in Nairobi, Kenya, and background us is this is the airport, international airport in Nairobi, and just 1 hour before we reach here, and our guide is waiting for us.
Our guide and our
The
driver.
driver,
Okay, let's go and meet them.
This is
That's
our
our
guide.
yeah.
for the entire travels.
Hello, hi.
Hello.
Yeah.
How are you?
This will be our driver,
So welcome,
and here is our
Charles,
the guide, Mr.
to our
Charles,
consultancy and your trip leader.
and you are Mr.
JJ.
JJ, and this is Kalam, and this is Ani.
Welcome to Masai. So for you, I have some. We usually provide some safari hut.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
What is it? Gorgeous Dreams Adventures.
Thank you very much.
Looking forward for this guide.
Yeah.
এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের ল্যান্ড ক্রুজার। এই ল্যান্ড ক্রুজার দিয়ে আমরা আগামী 7 দিন পুরা কেনিয়া চষে বেড়াবো। আমাদের সাফারি এই ল্যান্ড ক্রুজারের মাধ্যমে হবে। আর এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের গাইড, আর এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের এজেন্সি দ্যাট providing us the support, everything, and behind us is the airport and Mr. Charles.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for everything so far.
Welcome.
What is this inside? The purely compressed grass, the green ones. The brown ones are meat and molasses. Wheat and molasses.
About the Giraffe Centre. So, Giraffe Centre was started in 1979, and it was started by Joe and Betty. These are the two founders, but they're no longer living more. They died. So the reason why they started it is because they were traveling to the western part of Kenya, where you will find this type of giraffes. Okay. So this type of giraffe will find them to the western part of Kenya. So they had a head count of these giraffes. So they found 130 as the total numbers of giraffes in the whole country. So it's the reason why they bought the land, the 20 acres of land, the same with the Giraffe Manor. You saw the Giraffe Manor?
Yeah.
So Giraffe Manor was their home, but now it's a hotel. So now, as we speak, the giraffes have increased from 130 to approximately 1200. Southern part of Equator, like Nairobi National Park, is actually one of the places where you find the Maasai giraffes. Okay, so where we are, because we are very close to the Nairobi National Park, this was not the original place for the cross. It is that because they were introduced for breeding purposes. Okay, so now let us see the other giraffe, the last giraffe. If you could be having a zoo in your country, there could be a chances of you having this type of giraffe. And the reason is because these giraffes, they are found to the northern part of Equator. So any country that is to the northern of Equator, the giraffe can be taken as zoo. Okay? So these are 4. The other one is 3. So as
Back is it?
no, neck.
Neck, okay.
So as they get taller, the butterfly grows big. Have very long tongues. A giraffe shimbo. Yeah, very heavy. So they use it for kicking.
This is more like a baby, right?
Yeah.
So cute. Look at them there.
You know, most of the people come to Kenya to see the big 5, right?
If you are bitten by a snake, the best way it is you go with that snake to the hospital, because the same snake to be your medicine. Yeah. So big.
So big, yeah.
So big, yes, very big.